Hey kids, do you ever get so frustrated that you just want to scream? You feel like you're losing your mind and you're gonna go crazy? Today, we're going to learn how to take all of our frustrations and put them into our stuffed animals. So when we get frustrated and when we feel so stressed out, because yes, even as a kid, you can feel stressed out, your body's telling you that it needs help. And one way that you can help it is by releasing the sound from your body in a healthy way. One way that I can let go of that pressure, that stress that's building up inside of me is to give it to my stuffed animal. Do you want to see me scream into my stuffed animal so that you know what to do? Or if I'm really stressed out, you try it. By releasing your noise and letting it go into the stuffed animal, you're regulating your nervous system so that you can calm down and feel better.